Hi, today I'm going to show you how to animate the text on your website. So this will work only for texts inside the website and not on images or other elements. Okay, first, make sure that you're on your right GoHighLevel seat. Then go to Sites, then go to Funnels, then click New Funnel. Let's try to use templates for this. Now, choose your preferred template. Let's try to use this one right here. Okay, we have our funnel ready. Now, we're gonna try and animate this text right here. This one. So over here, there are animation options inside GoHighLevel. What's inside GoHighLevel are only these limited options of animations that you can choose from. If you want a different animation, first let's clear the animation you've previously chosen, and then you go to animista.net, then click Start. You can see the other options if you scroll to the right. Let's try Rotate Scale. So click this icon on the right to see the codes. You will see the class and the keyframe codes. We're going to use both of these codes. Let's start with keyframes. You should start copying from WebKit keyframes. So highlight that part, up to the bottom, and then copy it. Then go back to your GoHighLevel and go to Custom CSS on the top menu. Paste the code in the pop-up window. Then go back to Animista. Then let's copy the class this time. So copy the whole class. And paste it right here. Now this over here. This is the class name. We're going to copy that because we're gonna use it later. So click Save. If you forgot to save the class name, you can go back to Animista and just copy it over here. This one is the class name. And you should see the text move. So that is how you animate the text. Now don't forget to save it. Let's try to see a preview. Let's try that again. All right, there you go. That is how you animate your text in your website. Share and subscribe to get more GoHighLevel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.